The Sudio Tolv True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sudio Tolv True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and a warranty card, a micro USB cable for charging, and various ear tip sizes. The Sudio Tolv features 7 hours of listening time, 35 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX and AAC codec. It has graphene drivers, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's sweat resistant. It also comes in a variety of color options. We will be looking at the black version. The case is pretty compact with a grippy rubber feel to it all around. The front has the Sudio branding etched in, and on the right side it has a carrying strap. On the back of the case you have the micro USB charge port and the charge status LEDs. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are secured by magnets as well and are easy to remove from the case. The earbuds has the same finish as the case. It has that grippy rubber feel all around. They are also very light. On the bottom you can see the branding, and the ear indicators are marked on the inside. On the outer face you have a nice brushed surface for the button control. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, button control, and LED. And here they are side by side. Playback and call controls are pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of a few presses to get the desired functions. The case comes in at 2.3 by 1.2 by 1.9 inches. It weighs in at 41 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. We go back in time to thrills I missed and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you, 'cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Sudio Tolv microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone does come in low during calls and the other parties had a hard time hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side. Pairing was also instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Sudio Tolv True Wireless Earbuds. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The overall comfort of the earbuds were good. I found them to fit my ears well and they were easy to put on. They formed a nice tight seal. They are also very light and at times you don't even know you have them on. The button controls do tend to push them in further into your ear canals, so it can be uncomfortable at times. And they had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. The case feels durable along with the earbuds, and they're easy to grip. The design of the earbuds are slim and they don't protrude out of your ears. Button controls are responsive and I had no issues controlling the playback. The battery life is also respectable, coming in at 7 hours and 35 in total with the case. I would have liked to have seen USB-C at this price point, and I'm not really a big fan of the carrying strap. I wish it was removable. Also, it has no specific IPX rating. It only mentions that it's sweat resistant, so I would not get these overly exposed in the elements. Now when it comes to sound, I would say the overall sound signature falls on the brighter end. Bass is present, but you won't get that deep, overwhelming bass. It comes in tight and punchy. Mids and highs is where these shine. Very clean and clear, and it comes in very loud. Vocals do stand out, as you might have picked up from the samples, and there is good separation. It didn't get distorted and it was a pleasant listening experience all around. Overall, the Sudio Tolv produces some decent sounds. I like that it offers a variety of color options. The overall design is compact and easy to carry, and it's perfect for everyday casual listening. So that is my review of the Sudio Tolv True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.